Hello and welcome to Trade Talks with Jitesh. This will be a weekly review session. We'll be reviewing what were the trades we have taken for the last week as well as scenario analysis for the next week. So let's dive directly on the charts. So starting from the Monday was consolidating. Tuesday and Wednesday till Thursday afternoon, market was consolidating in the range as we expected from 18,400 levels to 18,200 levels. And after the second half of Thursday, market started trending with a very significant momentum, and that momentum continued on Friday as well. And this rally has taken out last week high, which was at 18,460 levels with a significant momentum. So the broader range of 18,400 to 18,200 was intact for the whole week, and we have seen a bullish consolidation happening at higher range of 18,200 to 18,400, and then a breakout at the second half. So this gives us confirmation that market might further go on the upside. As this has given a sentiment on the positive market, majorly on the broader index, people are expecting that we might be crossing all-time high of 18,800 levels and beyond that. And let's see what were the trades we have taken all the way from Monday. Monday initially on the first half we have not taken any trade as market was consolidating for the first half, and on the second half market has given us the opportunity for the short trade. At the closing, we have taken the short trade for which the SL got hit on the Tuesday morning itself. For the Fin Nifty was a consolidating for the first half. So initially it was quite good as it was consolidating. And when the trailing stop loss got hit at 230, we exited with a slightly profitable scenario where 0.5 R being the risk taken per trade. So 0.5 R positive was the Fin Nifty expiry. Wednesday, we have not taken any trade and no intraday trades were taken. For the Thursday, Nifty was consolidating in a very tight range, and then market gave us the exit at 150 or roughly around 2 o'clock, for which we have made roughly 1 hour profit as market was consolidating for the major part of the day. And on Friday, market was trending significantly. Our trade got opened at Friday closing, and then the SL got hit today morning. So this SL, this loss I'm considering in this week itself. So that was minus 1 hour. So for the whole week, we have negative 0.5 hour. So not major loss, not major profit. It was hardly 0.5 hour. So this kind of market scenario where market is moving on both the sides, and I'm expecting market to give consolidation and somewhere on the short side. Preferably, I'm taking short trades, not long trades, because in this kind of scenario, also I was about to take long trades at 18,181 levels, but market slightly from above itself, market reversed in a very significant manner. So this was the trade setup which did not get triggered at this particular place for the long side, and for the short side, market is stopping us out again and again. So let's dive directly on the next week trade setup where we need to be very uh, keen on having certain facts on our hand. As we can see, the VIX is at 12. So the day range, what I expect is around 140. Week range, I'm expecting at 308, and month range at 640. And the short straddle as of now on Monday is only 150. So the whole week, I'm expecting that market might consolidate below 300 point itself. This is the first week of next month contract, and we have 5 weeks of expiry in this month. And as we know, that weekly VIX mean is at roughly 12.4. So this mean of 12.4 hints us that market might continue to be in a very tight range for coming week. And one more thing, very key important aspect we need to consider is that market might not price correct after immediately. It might do a time correction before a price correction. Kindly note down this point that market might do time correction before a price correction. This might happen for the coming week. So let's dive directly on the scenario analysis. So there are 5 scenarios we will be considering. Starting with the bullish case scenario where market might trend higher and taking us all the way to all-time high. All-time high is at 18,900 levels spot. So market might trend higher. For this case to happen, we need VIX going below further till 10.5 or 11.2, and this should be supported by Bank Nifty as well as tech sector. Bullish consolidation might happen. This is scenario number two, where market might respect the supply zone at 18,631, consolidates for the whole week, and taking in a range, being in a range of 18,500 and 18,670 levels or 700 levels. A 200 point of tight consolidation might happen. So very highly probable scenario is scenario number two and scenario number three. So both of this scenario can come into play. So for this, we have a specific trade setup. And for scenario number one to happen, we need a confirmation if the market closes above 18,700, then only we'll be considering scenario number one. Till that time, I will not be considering any scenario number one. So for this week, the trade plan is simple. We'll be taking short trades initially for the at 18,630 levels, but short trades will be taking in different fashion, different way. We'll be opening two call rating position with one put rating position. So it will be a short straddle, but additional one call rating position will be added at this particular place of 18,630. And once the market comes at this particular place, we'll be having confirmation that this scenario is into play. For this scenario to come into play, we need second confirmation is one day low needs to be broken. So the first scenario is bullish upward momentum with a very strong close above 18,700 levels. That confirms our scenario number one. Scenario number two, where market respects the supply zone at this particular place and consolidates for 2 days. Scenario number three is where this yellow scenario, market comes at the supply zone, consolidates and gives us a close below 1 day low and drops till 18,450 levels, 446 levels, and then again a significant upthrust. So this range is roughly between 18,630 levels to 18,450 levels. So highly probable scenario is scenario number two and scenario number three, where market might consolidate for the rest of the week and then drop till 18,440 levels and then a significant rise after Thursday or even on Friday itself. So this kind of market setup can be there. For this kind, both the kind of setup will be doing short straddle at Monday closing itself. So we'll be writing two call option and one put option at 18,600, and then after that market if further opens below 1 day low, we'll be adding a call option, and then market might go till 18,450 levels, and no put writing positions will be added till 18,450 levels. When market comes at this particular place, then we'll be adding put writing positions, and we'll be making our 18,600 short straddle for the whole week, and we'll be closing on Thursday. So this is the trade setup for the whole week. Bearish consolidation and crash scenario both we have not considered, because we do not expect that market might go into this phase as of this week, because market has gap up opened with a very significant momentum supported by international market. So this two scenarios we can rule out. Yes, this scenario can happen, but we need a close below 18,400 levels to confirm this. So if we get a close below 18,400 level, then we'll be writing call option very significantly. So till that time, no aggressive short positions we can create. Only when we get a confirmation below 18,400, then only we can plan that we might get a further drop till 18,192 levels or 18,200 levels. So as of now, this is the trade plan for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, as it has already crossed all-time high, so it's purely wait and watch how the market gives us the opportunity on the short side. Once we get the confirmation on daily candle, then only we'll be taking any short trades on Bank Nifty. It has already crossed all-time high, and the momentum is very good, significant upward momentum. After a time consolidation, market has given a breakout on the upside. But frankly, I'm not very much bullish on banking sector, as we can see on the international front also. that US banks are not doing that good, and but Indian banks have significantly risen. So this kind of trade setup I'm not much comfortable. Let's see the signal, how we get the signal on the short side. If you get a strong signal, strong close on the negative side, then we might be taking aggressive trades on the short side. But as of now, long trades, I'll not take any long trades as of now till we get 43,000 odd levels. If there is a consolidation happening and then a pullback, then we'll be taking some very conservative long positions at 43,000 levels. But I don't think so. This might come for this week, and market has already gone into all-time high zone. So as of now, no trade setup for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, yes, these are the trade setups, and we'll be tracking very closely Nifty, that how the Nifty is behaving. Scenario number one only if we get 18,700, and we'll not be considering scenario number one as of now. The highly probable scenario, we have the trade plan, and at Monday closing we'll be starting our positional trade setup, as we have already reached our supply zone at 18,600 levels. So this is the trade plan, and let's see how we get the opportunity for the next week. And on the intraday trade setup, FinNifty, tomorrow I'll be posting FinNifty trade plan. What are the trades we'll be taking for the FinNifty? And expiry, I'm expecting that this 2 months, especially June and July, will be having a time correction. And once the time correction happens, and then we'll be seeing a aggressive price correction, significantly taking us all the way to even 17,000 odd levels as well. So that time correction will be quite painful for many traders, because that time correction is where market uh, kicks out all the short-term traders, taking out taking us through patience. And once the time corrections is done, then we'll have a significant price correction. Similar thing was seen in bullish case setup, where market was taking time correction for the whole week, couple of weeks, and then market trended. So that kind of setup can happen, where market might be in a very tight range for 2 3 weeks, and then a significant drop might happen. So that kind of trade setup, for this, we need confirmation, as well as we need to be very tight on our risk management. Yeah. Thank you for joining Trade Talks with Jitesh. Happy trading.